Hello, everyone. Here's another video on how to use Donna Magazine store. Okay, I'm just going to screen share here. Okay, this is really cool. You'll see. And this is all done with WooCommerce, which is really, really cool. So let's say you're choosing to go to beauty and health. Okay, you're choosing to go to beauty and health. And you decide that getting Advil, okay, is something that you could certainly use. Okay. All right. So again, disabled. I don't know why. Haha. Okay. So let's say actually, let's show Donna Magazine actual cart. I'll have to fix that disabled one. Now, I'm going to show Donna Magazine store with Donna Magazine classes, okay? Now, say, for example, you decide to go with an affiliate marketing class so that you can learn more about that. Then you add it to cart. It'll say view cart right away, but see how it goes up to the top there? It goes up to the top. I'll just get the screen out of the way. It goes up to the top, and then you just press PayPal and your PayPal will come up. Okay, your PayPal will come up so that you can pay for the purchase. As simple as that. And you can also pay with a credit or Visa debit card. As simple as that for Donna Magazine classes. And then usually what will happen for links that are not disabled, okay, if you're shopping on the site regular and say, for example, you want to have like a audible version of J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter, that's completely understandable, then you just click on buy product. Okay, it'll take you to the store. You register with even a free trial with Audible, and then it goes to $14.95 a month plus applicable taxes after 30 days, and you can cancel at any time. And I get a commission from Amazon for your subscription, which is a great way to thank me for the content that I provide on Donna Magazine, and a great way to shop and give at the same time. So that's the way affiliate marketing works. And there's a number of products that you can buy. Like you can even buy things like furniture as an example. Like here with furniture, you can also do a lot of interesting things. Like say you like the beanbag factory, student time, the beanbag factory may be a great place for many people to do their shopping, right? So there's a lot of great things that you can buy, and I would get a commission from the beanbag factory. As well, there's even comparison shopping that you can do, because as you can see here, these two coffee tables do look quite similar, right? This is the one from Walmart. This is the one from Amazon. You can tell the one at Amazon would probably be more expensive. It's a bit more decadent than the one from Walmart, right? But if you decide to go with the decadent one, then, you can find out what the price would be, right? What the price for that particular item would be. And I also offer Amazon Prime as well. Then you just back click, and then you can do some comparison shopping and look at the one on Walmart, and you see the price there, right? So, do some comparison shopping and decide which one you want for yourself there. Okay, and I would get commissions on each of those, which is the way a lot of sales does tend to go. So yeah, I just enjoyed that. It's a great site. There's a lot of other interesting things that you could get into for yourself as jobs and businesses. Like, say if you want to go with something like share sale, Okay, it's because I'm currently logged into that. I can't show it. But there's even things from all over the world. Like there's this one from China where you can also click on. It's all in Chinese here, and it's an online shopping store as well, where you can get a lot of interesting things. So it is multicultural. This one I believe is from Malaysia, right? And this one's from Malaysia, so you can do shopping here. This one's in English to shop for travel insurance. um there's even a beautiful Donna Magazine Beautiful Turtles Etsy store that I have. Just takes you to the site, not just pictures of me, but a lot of really good prints and pictures that you can get, digital prints. You can do some investment banking on the site too. These are good old Canadian places where you can do your investment banking. You could even buy musical instruments. A lot of them are from Amazon, which is a lot more affordable. You could even get a set of drums if you want to, if as a gift, perhaps, or you can get a violin if you want to. That's a pretty good price. Amazon does tend to have very good prices for their instruments. A harmonica is a wonderful thing for anybody. Look at that price. That's absolutely excellent. Look at those ratings, right? I have this one myself, actually. And harmonica is very easy to learn, so that's a really fun thing to do. Keep your hands busy so you're not doing bad things. You can also shop on Walmart as well, get any back to school things that you need, a number of things that you need, everything from jewelry to watches, and I would get a commission on that. It's a lot of really fun stuff, really, and there's a number of different categories that you can shop from. Different, everything from Amazon Prime to banking and business to beauty and health to books to cars and trucks to clothing, food and drinks, gift registries, music, online services, online schools. You can see that mine isn't the only one. School supplies, online legal services. There's even a spot here for jobs where you mainly designed for creating them yourself. If you want to be an app builder, you can go to AppyPie and get started up with AppyPie. You want to start building banners, you can do that too. If you want to do things like Nielsen ratings, you can get paid for those kinds of things. Oh, I don't know. All those links seem to be disabled. I'm gonna have to check that one out. Go Transcript. You can get jobs with Go Transcript if you type quickly. So there's a lot of really, really cool things on this site. Some of the links I'm gonna have to fix, like many people have to do with their sites, constantly checking them out and making sure they all work. All right. So, okay. So thanks so much for listening. I really appreciate that. And there'll be another video coming up soon.